Hi guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. Welcome to Sento's kitchen. In today's video we are going to cook one pot. As you guys can see, I already have my stuff. I have my dry fish, that one I got it from Africa, so it's mixed with shrimp. And I have my sliced onions, I have my oil, and my rice was like 5 cups of rice. And you can cook any amount of rice you want to cook. If it's by yourself, cook 1 cup. If it's not by yourself, you can cook more. How much more you want, that's your business, okay? But I got my pepper, my onions, and of course, as you guys can see, I add tomato, and it was going bad, so I was like, why not just add it inside and blend it? Yeah, so we blend your pepper, and for your rice, you can cook literally any amount of rice you want to cook, any amount, that's your choice. And the next thing is I have my fish. I told you guys I have my dry fish. This is the salmon one pot. This is the real salmon one pot. I have my fish and I already pick up the bones. And I have my seasoning. You can use any seasonings of your type, of your choice. This is my own favorite. So chicken bouillon, jumbo, and salt. Yeah. And next thing is we'll go into the pots. Put your oil. Make sure your oil is warm. For the onions, we're about to do like fry stew first, a little bit before putting the rice and all that. You guys will see it. Next thing is put your sliced onions inside the hot oil and make sure it's stir fried. As you guys can see, I didn't even pull all the sliced, but hey, I'm doing it right now, so hey. I like onions on my one pot. It's the freaking best, especially when it's really cooked. Yeah. And you just mix it like that. The next thing is we put our fish, this dry fish. It's mixed with shrimp, so, and I got it from the African store. So I was like, I'm gonna just use that. I'm gonna just add that because I really want my one pot to have a lot of fish. And after that, put your pepper, blended pepper, onions, and mix. These have that looking good already. Oh my god, it's looking so freaking awesome. Awesome. I'm at work, by the way, doing this voiceover. But you mix, and now it's time for you. I have to add a little bit of oil because this oil wasn't oiling. Yeah. Now it's time for you to add all your seasoning inside, seasoning of your choice. Yep. You can put any aside. Actually, if you know you have been with me for a long time, you know I barely show how to season because I'm not used to that. My parents, my grandmama show me how not to measure. So I don't do it. And you just mix it like that. Mix it. It's how good it's looking, guys. It's looking good. Put your jumbo in. We put in all the seasoning now. So when the water gonna boil with this, it's gonna cook the seasonings. I know it's rice, so yeah. And you mix. Guys, this is looking good. If you watch this video, you're not craving to go make this one pot, I don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what's wrong with you. And now we add about again 5 cups of water since we're cooking 5 cups of rice. Yeah. And you mix. It looks so freaking good. And next thing I'm going to do is add your tomato paste. You can add tomato paste if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't need to. I want mine to be that red type looking. So yes, why not? And the taste. Now the water is boiled. All we gotta do is pour in your rice. Okay, let me say this. Wash your rice. I know the rest of the rice I'm about to add. I didn't wash it, but you can't blame me. I was rushing because I needed 1 more cup of rice. So I was like, let me just add 1 more cup because this fish look a lot in the pot. So I add my 1 cup of rice. But guys, wash your rice. Wash your rice so it doesn't have too much starch. And put your fish, your picked fish. The reason why we're doing this because we don't want to know eating the rice. We still get the fish smell. It's looking so beautiful right now. And you guys know me about my pepper. I have to add 3 more bell pepper in case it's not spicy. I love my pepper. I love my pepper. And again, you cannot follow me the way I do my pepper because you're going to die. If you don't eat that much pepper, please, please, I'm begging you, put the amount that you want. Don't say, oh, because I see Sento's kitchen, put 5, 10 pepper in our food, so let me try it. You won't die. And I don't want you to come on my page and be like, oh, she make me cook spicy food, because I will literally look at you like, are you okay? But after some minutes, this is how it's looking. It's looking so good already. This is how it's looking. And me, if you guys know, I like to, when I'm cooking my rice, I like to put a bag over it. I really do, because I feel like it makes it steam properly, give it good cook, like it makes it cook really well then. Yeah. Put your bag over it on hot. If you don't want to, you don't need to put a bag over it. If you want to put a bag over it, that would be the best thing you ever did in your life. And after that, we're just gonna turn the heat on a low heat, and let it just stand. And after that, you come back. That's how you see. And I know you guys still seeing water on the side. Yeah, it's gonna mix up. Don't worry, it's gonna mix up. See how it's looking? I told you. It's not done yet though, because I'm still gonna leave it in the stove for like about 10-15 plus minutes. Low heats only. Yeah, and that's how it looks. That's my one pot. That's my one pot for you. See? Keep showing you guys. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. And I cook for a lot of people, so of course that size was good. And that's how I ate mine. Did you guys see all the fish around it? It was super good. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share my video. Let me know what you guys want to see next on my next video, because again, I'm uploading videos.